So a lot of people want to talk about making sure they have the windows fit within their budget or budget friendly options, and it just depends, right? So like I've been in $100,000 homes where they thought super expensive windows were affordable, and I've been in $2 million homes where people thought relatively cheap vinyl windows was, the price was outrageous. And so the budget a lot of times comes down to what products you're using, what's the style, and what the homeowner's needs are. And so like there are plenty of budget-friendly options based on your home and what you're trying to achieve. The easiest one is going with vinyl siding, is going with vinyl windows. So vinyl windows are a much more affordable option versus fiberglass or wood. If you only want a white window with no grids and you're not going to be there more than 10 years, it makes a ton of sense to a lot of people, especially there's a lot of older people who only want to be in their home 3-4 years. Their window's leaking, they got to get it replaced. It makes sense a lot of times to put vinyl windows in those homes, but most of our homeowners, when they look at the cost benefit analysis of going with the higher window versus a lower cost window, about 2/3 of those people choose to get the better window because they believe if they're going to be there 8 to 10 years or more, it's going to pay off. But it just depends on every situation is different. Every homeowner is different. Every home is different. Budgets are different. Some people only want to use high quality products regardless of if they cost a little bit more money or not. Yeah, so overwhelmingly at Fairway Exteriors, we love Marvin windows. That's what we recommend a lot. We tend to do a lot of their Elevate windows, so it's fiberglass exterior and wood interior, partially because a lot of homes that we're in, they have wood today. They like the look of wood, they like the feel of wood, they might have a wood stain, which means they want to go back and match it. And so it's got a fiberglass exterior, it's not gonna rot, it's highly durable. They actually just opened a plant here in Kansas City, Kansas as well. So we do a lot of the Elevate and the Essential, which is all fiberglass line. Most of our homeowners upgrade to either the Essential over vinyl, or they go with the Elevate because they want to keep the same look they have today. So we do offer vinyl windows because about 1/3 of our clients just need a very budget-friendly option, and we're happy to meet their needs there. So a lot of times people ask about climate when it comes to windows. To be honest, all windows perform fine in Kansas City. The two biggest things you really got to look at, it's not so much the weather, it's time. And so it's not so much how windy it is, it's how windy it is over 15, 20 years. That's a problem that vinyl has. The other big thing, I think, though, probably the biggest thing that affects homeowners in Kansas City is actually the sun. So we do a lot of sunrooms, we do a lot of like second-story bedrooms where the homes here do not have good insulation and the rooms are very hot. And so a lot of times we look at trying to use a really high-quality window, but also with upgraded glass. That's really gonna make a difference in those rooms based on temperature. Other than that, all the windows that we offer, all the windows that most people offer you, are going to work just fine in this climate.